Welcome to our class. Today we will be continuing with our numerical problems on work or energy. In the previous class we have discussed some problem. Today we will be continuing from there. These problems are taken from the Conscience Physics book, Serena publication, class 10 ICSE board. Okay. So what does the first numerical problem says? Let us see. It says that it takes 20 seconds for a person of mass 50 kg to climb up the stairs, while another person B of the same mass in 15 seconds. Okay, I have missed out one point. This should be 20 person A. Okay, so this is person A. Okay, fine. Okay, so there are two persons A and B having the same mass, both having 50 kg mass. They climb up the stairs, one in 20 seconds and the other in 15 seconds. So you have to compare the work done by the persons A and B and the power developed by the persons A and B. So actually what do you mean when we say that we have to compare? We have to actually find out the ratio of the work done and the power developed. Fine. So let us come to the solution number 1. Solution 1. So what are the things given? First of all, let us just note down the given things. So it has been given that part 1, before writing part 1, just let me write the given points. Okay, so mass of person A, so mass of person A is equal to mass of person B is equal to 50 kg. Okay, fine. Now both of them climb up the stairs, one in 20 seconds and in 15 seconds. So time taken by A is 20 seconds and time taken by B is 15 seconds. Okay, fine. Now what you have to do, you have to compare the work done. Now see, both of them have the same mass and they climb up the stairs, same stairs. Okay, so can I write that? We know that for part 1, let us see, we know that work done is equal to force into displacement. This is the formula. I am not writing the cos theta as because we are considering that the direction of force and displacement are same, that is the angle theta is 0 degree. In that case we can write this formula, work done is equals to force into displacement. Fine. So for the person A and person B, both have the same displacement as they climb up the same stairs, and as they have both the same masses, obviously the force acting on them are also same. Hence they both need to apply the same force to displace their own body to the same height. Hence we can say that the displacement of both the persons, let us consider to be x. So let displacements of both persons of both A and B, let us write A and B, be x. Okay, so work done by A will be equals to, what will be the value of the force? Force will be mass of A into G. Since this is the force of gravity acting on the person A, he has to apply the same amount of force to move up a certain height, isn't it, or certain displacement. And this is the mass and the displacement is x. Whereas the work done by the person B will be also something like this, mass of B into G, and the displacement is given as the force and the displacement is x. The same concept is applied here also. Now if I compare the work done, so work done by A to work done by B will be equals to M A into G into x by M B into G into x. Now the x cancels out, G cancels out, and both M A and M B are equal, so that also cancels out, 50 by 50, so it's 1 by 1. So you can say that the ratio of the work done, WA is to WB is nothing but 1 is to 1. Okay, so this is the work done by the persons, ratio of the work done by the persons A and B. Now coming to the second part of the problem, it has been asked to find out the ratio of the power developed. So coming to the second part of the problem, what does it says? We have to find out the ratio of the power developed. So we know that power is equal to work done by time. Hence we can say that the power developed by the person A will be equals to work done by A by time taken by A, whereas the power developed by B will be given as the work done by B to the time taken by B. Okay, isn't it? Fine. So we can write, therefore the ratio is PA by PB will be equal to WA by TA, WA by TA by WB by TB, like this. So if I just invert it, it will be WA by WB into TB by TA, isn't it? Okay, so WA by WB, this ratio is 1 is to 1, so I can easily write it as 1 by 1 into time taken by B. Let us see, time taken by B is 15 and A is 20, so 15 by 20. So if I just simplify it, it turns out to be 3 by 4. Therefore the required answer is PA is to PB is equal to 3 is to 4. Okay, so this is our answer. Fine. So I think the solution is clear to all of you. Okay, so this is the solution of the first problem. Okay, now let us come to the second problem. So first just let us read out what the second problem says. That the problem is something similar to like that of the first problem. Here it says that a boy is weighing 40 kg, climbs up a stair of 30 steps each 20 centimeter high. So 30 steps and each 20 centimeter high means total height that he has climbed is 30 into 20, 600 centimeter or 6 meters in 4 minutes. Whereas a girl weighing 30 kg does the same, means she also does the same work but in 3 minutes. So you have to compare the work done and the power developed. Fine. So how can we do this? Let us see. So coming to solution number 2. Solution 2. Okay, see, it has been said that let us first of all write the given quantities. So what are the things that are given? Mass of the boy has been given as 40, I think it is 40 kg. Okay, boy mass, not mass, it has been weight has been given 40 kg. Okay, so let us consider this to be as weight, not mass. Okay, so weight of A is 40 kg. If I convert this into Newton, it will be 40 into 10, that is 400 Newton. Okay, whereas the weight of the, this is the weight of the boy. Okay, weight of boy and weight of girl is, how much weight it is given? I think it is 30 kg. Let's just say yes, it's 30 kg. Okay, so 30 kg. So if I convert this kgf into Newton, it will be 30 into 10, that is equals to 300 Newton. Okay, fine. Now displacement of both the boy and girl are same, so I can write displacement of the boy is equal to displacement of the girl is equal to, I can write it as, there are 30 steps, each 20 centimeter. So total steps height is 30 into 20. This is centimeter. Turns out to be 600 centimeter. That is equal to 6 meter. Okay, fine. Now, what will be the, and the time taken by the boy and the girl? Just let it note down. Time is, boy has taken 4 minutes and the girl has taken 3 minutes. So time taken by the boy is 4 minutes. So time taken by the boy is 4 minutes. That is, I can write it as in seconds. What it will be? It will be 240 seconds, isn't it? And time taken by the girl is 3 minutes. That will be equal to 180 seconds. Okay, fine. Now we have to first of all find out the ratio of the work done. So let us just calculate what is the work done by the boy and the girl. Now work done by the boy, force into displacement, the weight of the boy is 400 Newton, hence the earth is pulling that boy by a force of 400 Newton. So obviously he has to apply a force of 400 Newton to lift him up to the height of 6 meter, okay, to climb up the stairs of 6 meter height. So weight of the work done by the boy will be equal to, so just, okay, the symbol for the weight and the work will become same. Just let us denote the weight by small w. Okay, so denote the weight by small w and the work by capital W. So weight of boy and weight of girl. Okay, fine. Weight of girl. So work done by the boy will be force into displacement. Force applied has to be 400 Newton. So 400 into displacement is 6 meter. Okay, work done by the girl will be 300 Newton into 6 meter. Hence we can write ratio of the work done by the boy is to girl will be equals to 400 into 6 by 300 into 6. So 6 is cuts out, so 2 zeros also cancels out. The ratio turns out to be 4:3. Hence I can write work done by the boy is to work done by the girl is to 4:3. Okay, so this is the solution. Fine. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now just let us see if I consider the power developed. Okay, so power developed, as you know, is work by time. Just let us move on to the next page. So subpart 2, we know that power is equal to work done by time. Okay, so power developed by the boy will be equal to work done by the boy by time taken by the boy, isn't it? Whereas power developed by the girl will be equal to work done by the girl by time taken by the girl. Okay, is it clear? Okay, hence the ratio P of boy is by P of girl will be equal to, what will be like, it will be work done by the boy by time taken by the boy by work done by the girl by time taken by the girl, isn't it? So work done by the boy by work done by the girl into time taken by the girl by time taken by the boy. Now work done by the boy and girl, the ratio is, as we have found out in the previous page, 4:3. So 4/3 into time taken by the girl is how much? 180 seconds. 180 by 240. 180 180 by 240. Okay, so this cancels out. 6 3s are 18, 6 4 are 24, and this 4 4 and 3 3 cancels out. So it turns out to be 1 by 1. Hence, power developed by the boy is to power developed by the girl is equals to 1 is to 1. Okay, so the ratio is clear. As these are ratios, there is no unit, these are only pure ratio. Okay, so I think the solutions are clear to all of you. Okay, so in that today we'll be ending the class here. In the next class we'll be continuing from here. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.